Meaning of elated.
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 Elated. The word elated is an adjective that describes a feeling of great happiness and excitement. It is a strong positive emotion associated with a sense of euphoria or extreme joy. When someone is elated, they feel on top of the world and may experience physical sensations such as an increased heart rate or a rush of adrenaline. This feeling of elation can be triggered by a variety of things, such as success, good news, or a sense of achievement. Overall, it is a powerful emotional state that leaves one feeling exuberant and overjoyed.